Wepa, mi gente. It's your boy Dr. Kizomba. You already know. On est à Paris, ok? Ici, c'est pas France. Oh, I'm joking, ok? Ici, c'est France. On est à Paris. Okay, now, tonight we actually have an amazing party in Rome, okay? Festa do SEMBA, okay? Festa do SEMBA is starting tonight, okay? My boy Alex is gonna be teaching a class already, okay? And all the Titans are going to be there, okay? Festa do SEMBA is going to be tonight, my people. Don't be late now, okay? Your boy Dr. Kizomba is already on the way to the airport so that way we can celebrate tonight with our brothers and sisters from Italy, okay? Festa do SEMBA, all right? Stay tuned. It's your boy Dr. Kizomba. Tonight we're gonna dance with everybody, okay? Everybody. We're gonna dance destra, sinistra, arrivederci with everybody, okay? So see you soon, my people. Festa do SEMBA tonight with your boy Dr. Kizomba. Lego!